양치질을 해요. 양치질을 해요. 세수를 해요. 세수를 해요. 기초 화장품을 발라요. 기초 화장품을 발라요.
정말 뱀소리 들려.
You can use 를 here because it's an object. 이번 주 금요일에 또 봐요. 금요일에 또 봐요.
네, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
네네. 오, 숙제를 다 하셨네요. 잘했어요.
네.
점심. 주차장. 시동. 시동을 켜요. 운전하고 있어요. 운전하고 있어요. 시동을 껐어요. 카페에 가고 있어요. 도착했어요. 근데 충전기를 안 가져왔어요. 그래서 대신 독서를 했어요. 좀 카페에서 이렇게 멋있게 일하는 모습 보여드리고 싶었는데 좀 안타깝게도 이렇게 됐네요. 그래서 제가 지금 새로 이사 온 도시가 있거든요. 작년 9월부터 여기서 살고 있는데 이 도시가 좀 작아요. 규모가 되게 작고 인구도 작고 그래서 뭐 딱히 보여드릴 건 없을 것 같고 제가 최근에 방 정리를 깨끗하게 했어요. 그래서 저의 작지만 제가 지금 사무실로 쓰고 있는 그리고 방으로 쓰고 있는 저의 작은 공간을 여러분께 보여드리고 싶어요. 그래서 Let's head back home now. Okay, so I'm in my room now and let's start the tour. Room is 방, by the way, 방. And starting off with my yoga mat. And here we have my favorite pairs of jeans. 청바지, 청바지. If you just want to say pants, you can also say 바지. And I have my caps here. 모자, 모자. I like black cats, by the way. And here we have socks. 양말, 양말. And this is my bag, 가방, 가방. And this is my bed, 침대, 침대. And here we have a shelf, 선반, 선반, where I put my books, 책, and some other stuff, including this cute little 저금통. 저금 means saving money, and 통 means a can. And it's a can where you save coins, basically. So it's kind of like a piggy bank, except that it comes in all shapes, not just a pig. And here we have 창문. And let's open this screen to take a better look at the evening view. And I can hear the children screaming. And let's zoom in and find out what they're doing. They seem to be playing tag. 술래잡기, 술래잡기. So this was the view from my room. And let's close the window now. And here it's my desk area. 책상. 책상. And this is the microphone that I use. 마이크, 마이크. And this is my must-have, the wet wipes. 물티슈, literally watered tissue. And the regular tissue, we call it tissue. And here we have Wi-Fi and 작은 서랍 that I bought at 2001 per each. That amounts to about 2 USD. And here we have 연필꽂이, where you can put all the pens, pencils, and stationaries. 가위, 가위. And this is my car key, 차 key, 차 key. And here we have a desk lamp. We call it stand. And a 지우개. And here we have my laptop case, 노트북 case, earphone, and my cell phone, 핸드폰. And here's another mic that I'm using right now to record this audio. And here we have a speaker. And here we have a computer. 컴퓨터. 키보드. 마우스. 컵. 차. 지갑. This one's a really old one. My mom used it for several years and then she gave it to me, so yes, it's pretty old. And here we have 의자. This is my door. 문. 손잡이. Here I have a small dressing table. 화장대, where I place all the skincare products or makeup products. And this is an eyeshadow that I recently bought that I don't really use. And this is a cat, 고양이. My sister came to visit for dinner and she brought her cat with her. And she's just roaming around the whole house to get attention. Anyways, this is my 화장대. And this is 빗 that I brush my hair with. And oh, this is a fantastic little vacuum cleaner. 청소기. That I bought on the internet at a very good price. It cleans very well and the sound isn't too loud. And the cat seems to be quite curious about it. Alright guys, so I'll wrap it up here. Hope you enjoyed the tour, although there wasn't much to see. And I hope you learned some useful daily vocabularies to use. And bye for now guys!